Strange Abilities surveys a rare capability where researchers decode memories from ambient sounds, turning echoes into vivid recollections. A neuroscientist explains the brain pathways that bind sound to memory, while an audiologist narrates practical experiments with volunteers. A survivor recounts how a street corner's hum unlocks a long-forgotten day, illustrating the human stakes. Ethicists raise questions about consent and the risks of harvesting memories stored in noise. The episode considers therapeutic potential and the future of memory research guided by sound.